Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacee. I'm Auntie Stacee. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to share with you today is called How About You?
Who are you? Is that goo? Ew! I want some too. We are two. How old are you? 632? I like blue. Do you too? I choose 2 shoes. Which do you choose? Horseshoes? You make toys with boys? We make lots of noise.
Whoa!
I take a nap on Gogo's back. I don't nap. I stay up all through the day and all through the night. The ball goes thwack. Buddy, you rock. That's what we do. How about you?
This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.